All right, let's go. Up, up, down, down, left, right. I. To do debug demo fractal brush. Okay, so we stubbed in the Konami code debug stuff so that we can write some debug code and execute it. In the const macros by system within the Konamic section, we have added 3 new enumeration procedures in the Konamic proc enum section. So down here, we've added fractal brush, fractal eraser, and fracins 22, 23, and 24. These are the IDs of the procedures that are going to do debug code to test those 3 systems. In the data by system section, in the Konamic data, so the data for the Konamic system, in this section, we need to wire that up to a lookup table. So this lookup table here, lookup table A through Z. So when we do the Konami code sequence, and then we do the letter key A through Z, like up, up, down, down, left, right, and say maybe I. Well, if we do the I key, then we're going to do the fractal brush procedure, right? And then J and K are for the other fractal things, fractal eraser and fractal inserter right here. So, right? So the A through Z key gets mapped to 0 through 25, and then we use that 0 to 25 in this lookup table to get out one of these enumeration procedures, right? Okay, so then down here in the Konamic function section within Konamic EVT key, in this section where we've done the Konami code arrows and then pressed a letter key or a number key, we're going to look for an enumeration procedure that is one of these new procedures. And if we found one of those new procedures, we're going to enter this block, and here's where our stubs are. We're yelling at the user that we have to write the debug code for fractal brush, we have to write the debug code for fractal eraser, and we have to add the debug code for fracins. So we're going to add the debug code for fractal brush in the next video. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here to the Ninja Coder channel. We do not have time here on the Kanji Coder channel. If you just want technical demos, you can go here to the Weeb Coder channel. Source code is here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. Atomic Ivy MMO.